Welcome! In front of me I have Apple Watch Ultra 2 and I'm gonna show you how to install applications on this watch. Before we start, if you want to install applications on this watch, your watch needs to be connected to the internet. And you can do it in two ways. You can connect it to the LTE network if you have the basically SIM card assigned to your watch, and you can also connect to the Wi-Fi network to get the internet access. To connect to the Wi-Fi network, simply press the crown button to open the menu, then tap on the settings icon. In settings, find the Wi-Fi option, and here you can connect to the one of the networks by tapping on them and entering the password. And once you have the internet connection on your watch, we can continue. And now we need to open the App Store on our watch. So press the crown button to open the menu. Find the App Store icon, and once you find it, tap on it. And here we have the App Store. That's how it looks like. You can scroll through the different categories right here to look for something. I'm just gonna tap on search right here and type in something like, I don't know, maybe calculator or something like that. And then we can tap on search. And here we have apps we can download. Find the app you want to download, and you can tap on the get button right here to start downloading it, or you can tap on the app to see more information about it. You have the rating, screenshots, and I believe we have also option to see the reviews. So you can tap on rating and reviews, and you can see the reviews by people. Okay, so to install the app, you need to tap on the get button right here, and it's gonna start downloading and installing. And after it's done installing, you will see the open button, and you can tap on it to open the application, or you can go to the menu, the app menu, scroll through it, find the icon of the app, and then tap on it to open the app. Okay. And that's how you install applications on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.